Good day everyone, I'm Jean from HeyLittleJean and welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese curry, the Japanese Golden Curry S&B, but the vegan version one. You'll get something like that you can keep in your fridge for several months, and it's very useful, very easy to make. So for the recipe, let's get started! For this recipe, you'll need 150 g of margarine, 75 all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red bell pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So first thing first, we are going to combine all the spices together. Take a bowl and we are putting in 4 tablespoons of garam masala, the curry powder, we add the coriander, the chili powder, this is a mild one, we add turmeric, the bell pepper powder, we are also adding pepper and salt. Now we just need to mix all the spices together, so let's combine them. I'm using a whip, but you can also use a spoon or a fork. This is up to you. And that's what we get. Now we are going to make some roux. Put the margarine in a pot and turn the fire on medium heat. This is a palm oil-free margarine. When it's melted, we are going to add the flour. This will provide us a kind of paste with a neutral taste, which is perfect to keep all the spices together without adding other flavor in our curry. Now we are adding spices and we are going to combine them. At this point you will think that it's too dry, but there is enough moisture in the paste to fix all the spices. But, of course, you can also add some more margarine or oil to it. But we need something solid, not liquid. If you want something gluten-free, you can use corn flour and not all-purpose flour. The roux that you will get will be softer than what we had in the previous step. If you don't have red bell pepper powder, you can use paprika instead. Paprika means powdered spice made from dried and ground fruit or sweet bell pepper or chili pepper or mixtures of these. So maybe your paprika will be just a little hotter than a simple bell pepper powder, but it's completely fine. And that's what we get. It's almost done. We now just need to put the curry mixture into some mold and keep them in the freezer in your fridge once it's cold. Some people are using Golden Curry S&B plastic as a mold to give a shape like the Golden Curry one. You can also do that, but don't forget that the mixture is completely different, so the amount you need to use for cooking will be different too. I usually use 1 block of my curry paste with 500 ml of broth for 2 or 3 people meals. Voila! And now it's done! Now that we have all that done, I wish you to make plenty of tasty meals. Enjoy! So I hope you guys like this recipe. As you can see, it's a very easy one to make. And if you ever try it, don't forget to leave a message and let me know on the comment section below. I will also share with you next time how to cook some very delicious Japanese vegan curry with rice and vegetables, and it's very easy to make. You'll see that. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also click on the bell to get notified when I post some new videos. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!